Hitting the road, cleaning your tail lights, making sure your tires are inflated, windshield's clean, those things as well.
Yeah, and it's things we haven't really had to do a whole lot of the last couple of years. In fact, you know, yesterday, of course, not a big winter storm, and I say that, well, we didn't have a foot of snow or anything like that, but it's the most significant winter weather that we've seen in a couple years for much of our region. This morning, still tracking some ice. Now it has come to an end across southern Illinois and much of southeast Missouri, but western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, you're not out of the woods yet. Winter weather advisory still in effect across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri in the lighter purple color there. To the south, we've still got ice storm warnings in effect. Those run until about 6 p.m. tonight. Whether you're seeing the winter weather still fall or not, we're still dealing with very icy roads. This is a live view outside our studio doors here. And Route 13 there in the distance, traffic moving at generally close to normal speed. Some of the outer lanes there have still a little bit of snow and ice on them. However, look at these secondary streets, and some of these have still been treated with some salt, but temperatures are so cold that it has been very, very difficult to get some of that to melt. So as we go through the rest of this morning, we're going to start to see the remainder of the ice into western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee come to an end. However, we still expect very slick travel through a good part of the day today. And then, well, the weekend brings some of the coldest air of the season so far. In fact, near record cold temperatures by the end of the weekend and into the early part of next week, and potentially even some more winter weather as we get into Monday. Right now, though, again, if you're in southern Illinois, well, it has generally come to an end. You can still see a few flurries, especially in some of our northern counties, Mount Vernon back over near Blueford and Wayne City. But really, we're going to be focused on western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee here for the next few hours. We've been tracking some of this is light sleet, some of this is still some freezing drizzle, but it's this area, the Boot Heel of Missouri, northwest Tennessee. This stuff right now that's coming down is very, very heavy. There is thunder, there is lightning with this, and most of it is freezing rain. So it is falling as a liquid. And think about being in a thunderstorm, but you got temperatures below freezing. That's what's going on in some of these areas right now. So we've got freezing rain falling back into parts of Weakley and Obion and Lake counties in northwest Tennessee, Dunklin and Pemiscot counties, anywhere from Union City to Martin, Tennessee, back over near Kennett, Missouri, still picking up on some very heavy freezing rain this morning. Temperatures 20 in Mount Vernon, 23 in Harrisburg, but 27 in Union City. So one of those areas that's dealing with that heavy freezing rain, and temperatures are well below freezing, so no problems freezing things this morning. If you are heading out, of course, it's not recommended to be traveling this morning, but if you do have to get out and go to work or something like that this morning, wind chills back in the single digits and low teens, make sure you've got that exposed skin covered up and you are bundled up. Of course, continuing to track. Now, this is really the last round of the ice here this morning. You can see the batch moving through parts of eastern Arkansas. That is all going to start to push to the east here over the next few hours, and really, we feel by lunchtime, most of this is starting to exit to the south and to the east. Winds are going to be out of the north. It's going to be a cold day, and temperatures, well, once again, not going to get above freezing this afternoon. Upper 20s into southern Illinois, lower 30s to the south. But haven't had a whole lot of problems yet with power outages in our area, but northwest Tennessee, that may become an issue here later on this morning as we continue to see some of this heavy freezing rain fall. So still picking up on ice this morning. There you go. Again, some of our far southern counties near the Kentucky-Tennessee line, the Missouri Boot Heel. To the north, you guys are pretty much done with the winter weather. Let's look ahead to the weekend. Of course, once the winter weather all exits, well, then we're talking about the record cold temperatures coming in here towards the second half of the weekend. Morning low temperatures dipping back in the single digits. Tomorrow morning, 15. Saturday morning, 12. By Sunday morning, 4 degrees for an actual temperature. Monday morning, 4 degrees. Then you factor in the